Welcome to HNL Tutors. Today we'll learn how to find the meaning of words using context clues. If you come across a word you don't understand, don't worry. Look around at the other words and phrases in the sentence. These are called context clues, and they help you figure out what that tricky word means. Let's go through a few examples together, and I'll show you exactly how to work it out step by step. Example 1. Josephine accidentally punctured her bicycle tire when she rode over a sharp rock, and it slowly lost all the air. What does the word punctured mean? If you don't know, here's what you can do. Step 1. Look at the surrounding words. After punctured, the sentence says, the tire slowly lost all the air. Step 2. Ask yourself questions. What could make a tire lose all its air? Maybe something sharp made a hole in it. Step 3. Make a guess. Based on the clues, punctured probably means made a hole in something. Example 2. Ayana was always the one guiding the family during road trips. With a map in hand, she acted as the navigator. What does the word navigator mean? If you don't know, here's what you can do. Step 1. Look at the surrounding words. The sentence says, she was guiding the family and had a map in hand. Step 2. Ask yourself questions. Who would guide people with a map on a road trip? Probably someone who directs the journey. Step 3. Make a guess. From the clues, navigator must be someone who gives directions during a journey. Example 3. Florence carefully monitored the park, watching for anything unusual or out of place. What does the word monitored mean? If you don't know, here's what you can do. Step 1. Look at the surrounding words. The sentence says, she was watching for anything unusual. Step 2. Ask yourself questions. What do you do when you're watching for anything unusual? It sounds like Florence is paying close attention to the park, observing closely. Step 3. Make a guess. Based on the clues, monitored likely means closely watched or observed. And there you go. Using context clues can help you figure the meaning of unfamiliar words, just like we did with monitored. Thanks for learning with HNL Tutors today. We'll see you next time. Keep practicing and stay curious.